Hi everyone, I'm Steve. I'm here to show you the new Icebuster walk-behind spreader from Byers Products. It features a durable poly hopper. It can hold up to 100 pounds of #1 bagged rock salt or ice melt. It's mounted on a powder-coated carbon steel frame for corrosion resistance. It's easy to assemble, it's great for first-time users, and it has a broadcast range of up to 24 feet. Included is a bottom screen to sieve out any chunks or debris. There's an adjustable arm to regulate flow of material. Also, there's 3 adjustable poly deflectors to focus salt usage and protect vegetation. The spreader comes with 13-inch pneumatic tires on a solid axle for smooth operation over snow and varied terrain. An enclosed gearbox protects commercial-grade alloyed gears from the elements with a grease fitting for easy seasonal maintenance. Included is a fitted vinyl cover to protect the salt from the elements. For more details and specs, please visit our website at byersproducts.com.